Breaking news just coming in. Scuffle has broken out in Hathras. TMC MP Derek O'Brien has been pushed after his party's delegation was stopped 1.5 kilometers from the victim's house. That's the latest coming in. Live visuals on your screens at the moment. Tanushree Pandey is breaking the story. First here on India Today is joining us for the latest. Tanushree, this is a deja vu moment from what happened yesterday when Rahul Gandhi was pushed. These are dramatic visuals. Take a look. That are flashing across your screens at the moment. Tanushree, I'm going to throw straight across to you.
Mic on नहीं है क्या?
Absolutely, Chetty. In fact, that's right, Chetty, that's right. It's a deja vu moment where the MP's Derek O'Brien was pushed. The cameras were rolling. He was pushed. In fact, he has, I think, suffered some sort of injury also, and that's where the MPs here are now sitting. All they wanted to send just two MPs, two female MPs, and if not two, only one, and express their solidarity, their condolence with the victim's family. And then we saw that these police officers, they, just like they pushed Rahul Gandhi yesterday, stopped the Congress delegation to march forward. They stopped the TMC delegation just about 1.5 kilometers away from the victim's family, Chetty. So absolutely no idea what the administration is trying to hide. Why are they stopping each and every person, even if the Section 144 is in place, even if there is a COVID fear on the ground? We understand the COVID situation, but you can see anyway, there is no social distancing being followed by any person here, and you can see her. Chetty, she's wearing a mask, she's wearing a face shield, each and every person is wearing a mask. Even after that, even after their demand that only one person, only one female MP will go inside, Mr. O'Brien was pushed. So were you pushed by the police official, sir?
He was thrown on the ground.
Yeah, he was thrown on the ground.
Yes. He must have received some injuries, which we will find out when we go.
Ma'am, sir, it's a deja vu moment. Yesterday the same thing happened with Mr. Rahul Gandhi also. Now today you are being pushed. What kind of a treatment is this? Do you think they have been given a free hand, sir? Mr. O'Brien, I'm very sorry, sir. You have just... I think... Ma'am, why do you think the UP administration is behaving this way? Do you think they have been given a free hand?
फ्री हैंड वो पुलिस को उसको मरने के लिए छोड़े, जो भी आए उसको पिटाने के लिए छोड़े. हम लोगों को आपने देखे वीडियो में, आपको पूरा कैमरा भी लगे हुए थे. ड्रेक भैया ने गिर गया मेरे को पीछे खींचे से, मेरे को ब्लाउज पकड़ के खींच रहे थे.
ब्लाउज पकड़ के खींचा आप बोल रहे हैं मैम? मैम दिस इज अ बिग एलिगेशन. नहीं,
ये जोगी आदित्यनाथ, जोगी के जो ये है स्टेट है, वो जो है पुलिस को उसने लोगों को मरने के लिए छोड़ दिया है.
मैम आप बोल रहे हैं कि पुलिस ऑफिशियल्स ने आपको भी पकड़ के खींचा?
मेरे पीछे ब्लाउज पकड़ के मेरे को खींच रहे थे पीछे से. आपको देखे होंगे वीडियो में.
जी मैम, आपको लग रहा है दैट ममता बनर्जी विल टेक, so she is basically you know, it's extremely absolutely shocking, Chetty, and it's very shameful that the UP police is behaving this way with the female MPs also. You think, ma'am, आपको लगता है ममता बनर्जी ने आप लोग को पर्सनली यहाँ भेजा है, वो कुछ एक्शन लेंगी इस पे? आप लोग को हाथ लगाया गया है फीमेल एमपीज को बाय मेल पुलिस ऑफिसर?
वो तो देखेंगे आपको, क्योंकि पहले आ गए हम उन लोगों को मुलाकात करने की, उसके बाद में पार्टी देखेंगे हम उसको.
सर, अगर आप लोग को अगर अंदर नहीं जाने दिया,
महिला सांसदों ऊपर हाथ दिए
না,
ওকে তো প্রতিমা তো আমার সামনে করেছে
না স্যার, ধরে কাপড় ধরে টেনেছে मैम. आप कपड़ा पकड़ के
मेरे ब्लाउज पकड़ के मेरे को देखो, आपको लगे तो मेरे को नाखून को भी.
मैम आप लोग कंप्लेंट करेंगे क्या इसके बारे में?
जरूर करेंगे.
आप लोग को अगर नहीं जाने दिया, ठीक है, sure, we understand. So Chetty, you hear her, you just heard her. And the MP just told us that the UP police, the male cops, pushed the MPs. In fact, they manhandled the female MPs, and this is extremely shocking for even us to see. We have extensively covered UP, but this kind of a situation has never happened before, where the male cops are pushing the MPs and they are manhandling
the manhandling of women. The manhandling of women is what we are picking up, Tanushree. And let's not forget, today is Gandhi Jayanti, Satyagraha, and non-violence is what Mahatma Gandhi stood for. And these are the visuals that are coming across our screens from the side that led to this. And of course, manhandling a woman MP is just not all right.
Chetty, that's right. Our cameras were continuously rolling, Chetty. There was no provocation whatsoever from their side. Mr. Derek O'Brien and the other two female MPs, they were trying to speak reason with the police officers, and all they were saying that at least, okay, I will not go, let 2 female MPs go. If not 2, let just 1 female MP go, meet the victim's family, express our condolence, express our solidarity, and come back. There is no security threat. She's wearing a mask, she's wearing a face shield. Still after that, when they tried to march forward a little, the cops, and our cameras were rolling, Chaiti, the visuals are on the screen, the cops not only pushed Derek O'Brien fell on the ground. He's telling us that he has suffered a little injury also. The female MPs have just told us on record, and we saw this, that they were also being manhandled by male cops. This kind of a situation has never happened before, and the MP categorically told me that Mamata Banerjee is seeing all this live, Chief Minister of West Bengal, and she is going to make sure that an action is being taken against the administration, against the COF for this kind of a absolutely bizarre behavior. Yesterday it was Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi. Today it's the TMC delegation. Why is the administration not letting the opposition leaders just go and meet the victim's family once? What is, what are they trying to hide? Because the MPs also told me that without, there is no access to their phones, so there is no possible way, there is no scope that we can reach out to the families. Now their numbers are also switched off. So how do we speak to a family which is going through so much, which has already told us on record that they fear for their lives? So how do we speak to their family? Is this a crime in India to express solidarity to a rape victim's family? This is what the TMC delegation is telling us, Chaiti, and now the woman is saying, the female MP is saying that in fact she was manhandled and her clothes were, the police male cops tried to push her from her clothes. So this is extremely shameful to even hear. This kind of a situation is unprecedented, absolutely, and this has never happened before. Let's see what the...
And Tanushree, from what I understand, even the media has been stopped at that particular point, and y'all are 1.5 kilometers away from Hathras, the victim's house, and even the media has been stopped. Political leaders have been stopped. Yesterday we saw Rahul Gandhi being stopped. Now there is manhandling and heckling. Look at that, the visuals that are coming in. The male cops manhandling the woman. You can see it on your screens at the moment. These are absolutely disturbing visuals, Tanushree.
Continue. Absolutely. That's right, Chaiti. Chaiti, I'll try and get in a word. Ma'am, आप लोग को manhandle किया गया है. Visuals are playing on our screens right now. Not just Mr. Derek O'Brien was pushed, and I'm extremely sorry, ma'am. I have to ask this question because this is important. Were you also being manhandled by the cops? Yes. No. I'm saying that I'm not giving you time to even take rest, and I'm so sorry about this. But, ma'am, it's an important question right now. Why do you think the administration is behaving this way? आपको कैसे मैम लग रहा है कि ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं ये लोग? सरकार ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं?
जगी सरकार तो ऐसा ही कर रहा है, दलित के लोगों के साथ अत्याचार कर रहा है, मीडिया को अलाउ नहीं कर रहा है. They are doing the politics only, nasty politics. So they have no capability to protect the Dalits women. And this thing is happening time and again. Since after 73 years independence, Dalits are suffering still now. Without any education, without their any upliftment, without their protection, without their social security. We 4 MPs from West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee has sent us just to pay our condolence to the family members.
I want to ask you something, ma'am. You know, there have been many chief ministers from different parties in UP. Women's security was always an issue in the state of Uttar Pradesh. But has this kind of a situation ever happened before?
This time of scenario,
कभी हुआ है कि female MPs को cops ने?
This is first time. I have been mishandled by a police cop without any uniform. And when we and Derek requested them and introduced ourselves, we are the member of parliament and we are the member of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. 3 members, from women members and 1 gents. Okay, we 4 MP delegation just want to meet to the deceased family.
और आप लोग बोल रहे थे कि आप लोग सिर्फ 2 लोग अंदर जाएंगे.
We requesting for 2 MPs to allow for 2 Mahila MPs. So they are not even allowing. That cops didn't say anything. When he requesting, just keep shut his mouth. And when we are trying to go inside, that time he touched me, he pushed me. How dare he can?
Ma'am, will you file a complaint? Will Mamata Banerjee take note of it?
I will talk to Madam Mamata Banerjee, who sent us and Derek will tell him.
Sure.
Actually, they are the senior leader. I will do with their guidance only.
So, as you heard there, Chaiti, the leaders have just told us, and we have the visuals playing on our screen. The MPs, the member of parliaments, were not just pushed. The female MPs were manhandled by the cops of Uttar Pradesh police here 1.5 kilometers away from the victim's house. And very importantly, they told me that Mamata Banerjee is seeing everything live. She is going to take note of it. She is going to make sure that an action is being taken against the UP administration and the cops who handled the MPs, the female MPs. And this is the situation here, Chaiti, on the ground. I'll ask my camera person, Waqar Ahmed, to show you. See the bandobast here, Chaiti. They are not even letting us move an inch further. And they say that Section 144 is in place. There's a COVID fear. But not even MPs, not even 2 or 1 MP. So I don't know what they are trying to hide. Why are they doing this? But this is the situation on the ground, and we have no access to the family, which has been saying that we fear for our lives. So how does one get to know about the well-being of the rape victim's family? Already they have gone through a lot. The loopholes in this case and, you know, the kind of treatment the administration gave to the family has already been exposed
And
by
we
our
can see,
channel.
look at the
Now,
visuals
this kind
that
of
are coming in.
treatment, so
The
only
male
one question
cops
that how does one get
are
to know the
touching.
well-being?
One, it's wrong for the male cop to even touch the female MP or any female for that matter. They are pushing her. They are heckling her. There was no provocation, as you are reporting as well. Derek O'Brien was pushed to the ground. And the females, just look at that, the way in which the male cops are manhandling the women on ground. They're 1.5 kilometers away from Hathras. Tanushree, this is disturbing. Disturbing. Are we getting a word from the administration on this?
धक्का दिया है और हमारा कपड़ा खींचा है. ये तो कल की तरह ही बात हो गया. कांग्रेस के साथ एमपी के साथ किया था, अभी मेल कॉप्स हमको धक्का दे रहे. तो आप लोगों ने भी तो यही देखा. ऐसा आप लोग के वर्जन के हिसाब से हुआ है मैम कि मेल कॉप्स ने हाथ लगाया मैम? बस आप लोग अपना वर्जन भी बता दीजिए. हाँ सर, ऐसा क्या हुआ है कि आप लोग भी श्योर नहीं है कि ऐसा हुआ है कि नहीं, इसलिए आप कुछ बता ही नहीं पा रही. मैम यू आर अ फीमेल कॉप एंड वी रियली रिस्पेक्ट द कॉप्स. आप लोग प्रोटेक्शन के लिए हैं, बट अभी स्क्रीन्स पे विजुअल्स चल रहा है कि मेल कॉप्स, ऐसा तो कभी हुआ ही नहीं है मैम कि मेल कॉप्स ने, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है, मीडिया से तो आप लोग चलिए जैसा व्यवहार करते हैं, पर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट एमपीज को, फीमेल एमपीज को आप लोग धक्का दे रहे हैं, उनको मैनहैंडल कर रहे हैं. तो क्या ऐसा हुआ है? आप बस इतना बता दीजिए. नहीं भी बोल दीजिए मैम अगर आपके हिसाब से नहीं हुआ है तो. So the cop here and Sushma Chaudhary here, she's in fact, she's not in a position to even confidently say no that this has not happened. So which means that even the cops are not sure about the fact whether their own cops have misbehaved, manhandled a female MP or not. This is absolutely unprecedented, Chaiti, even for the people who have extensively covered Uttar Pradesh politics, the situation on the ground, and this is completely unprecedented. Yesterday it happened with the Congress delegation. Today the same thing has happened with the TMC delegation. And very categorically the MP told me that Mamata Banerjee is watching everything live, the visuals. We have sent her the video. Now we are going to make sure, she is going to make sure that an action is being taken. And okay.
And Tanushree, I'm just going to ask you to take a moment and just tell us, after they were being heckled, what now? What is going on at the moment? We're playing out the visuals from a little earlier, a couple of minutes ago, when they were pushed, they were heckled. Now, what is their stand at the moment? What is the plan of action as far as Derek O'Brien, Kakoli, all of them are concerned?
Chaiti, I'll just take that question to Kakoli ma'am. In fact, ma'am बस एक सवाल पूछूंगी. अब आप ठीक है? Sure. नहीं.
Any rights to be given?
Yeah.
One lady is speaking.
Sure, sir. Ma'am, just 1 second. Yeah.
We are also exhausted.
Of course.
We appreciate what you're doing.
Yeah.
But just let Pratima Mandal, our Lok Sabha MP, the visuals are there. Forget about me being pushed. That's not important. A male, arrogant UP official pushed her on the ground. You saw that.
Okay. Yes.
So listen to her.
On the ground. Yes, sir.
Please listen and let us take our breath.
Sure,
Please.
sir. But, ma'am, very quickly. Ma'am, what is going to be the next future course of action if they don't let you go? FIR, police complaint, what's next?
This is not a stray incident.
Yeah.
This government is anti-Dalit, this Bhajpa government is anti-woman and this Bhajpa government is anti-poor, anti-nation. So there is a call for a much greater agitation against the Bhajpa government, which is destroying the very secular and democratic fabric of our nation, my nation. This is a
Kakuli ma'am, Kakuli ma'am, will you take an action and complaint will be filed? Any protest?
Of course we will take it up legally because they cannot beat us up. We have done no wrong. Here they are trying to protect the criminals and then they are beating up Lok Sabha members.
Okay, thank you ma'am. Yes, yeah.
Can I do my round?
So you heard there the MP's Kakuli Ghosh. She spoke to us, and in fact Mr. Derek O'Brien also spoke to us. He very clearly told us that we are injured. And me being pushed is not an important thing, but the female MPs being not just pushed, being misbehaved with, manhandled by the male cops, this is something extremely serious, and we are going to make sure that we take strict action against the administration, against the cops. So what they are going to do now is, Chaiti, as they have told us, they are sitting here at the barricade. They are going to do a dharna till the time they are not being allowed inside the village. Next thing they are going to do is they are going to file a police complaint against the cops who have misbehaved with them, Chaiti.
All right, so they're going to be filing a complaint, and Tanushree, what you're getting us is that they are going to be sitting on a silent dharna until they're allowed to meet the victim's kin, and these are disturbing visuals that were playing out on your screens at the moment. Yesterday it was Rahul Gandhi, today it is the leaders from the Trinamool Congress as well.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.